Hi, I'm Mansi Sonwal, and I'm a graduate student at Arizona State University. And currently, I am working on a COVID SARS-CoV-2 protein called non-structured protein 15, or NDOU. So we are trying to get the structure of that protein. So currently, the technique to get the structure is crystallography, and right now the technique that you're using is fixed target technique, and this is my first time using that technique. So the major advantage I would say of using this technique is the volume that is required to get the structure. So it's only like a few at maximum 5 microliters. So this is one advantage I would say to use this technique, and compared to the other liquid injection techniques. I'm sorry.
No,
No
it's
worries.
okay.
If you want, you can repeat the sentence.
Okay. So this is my first time using a fixed target technique, and one advantage that I find about using this technique is the volume requirement. It requires very less volume, around 5 microliters, so which is very useful because it's very difficult to crystallize proteins, as we all know. So so currently I'm working with a SARS-CoV-2 protein called NDOU. It is a non-structural protein, and we're trying to get the structure using crystallography. And getting the structure will help us in trying to develop drugs against SARS-CoV-2. So currently there are vaccines that are effective, but to make it more feasible to develop more drugs against, especially with the emerging variants, it would be really helpful to find other solutions to the disease. So my main focus is to get the structure of the protein and then finally work in drug development. Hi, I'm Mansi Sonwal, and I'm a second-year graduate student at Arizona State University. I work with Dr. Petra Frommer, and I think that introduction